like a love beyond all time. Every wave begins to rise underneath eternal skies. Every moment feels so true, like forever leads to you. Hear the rhythm of the sea flowing through you into me. We don't need to say a word. In the silence, we are heard. Let the current guide us all. Feel the music take control. All we need is here tonight. Lost between the dark and light. We're floating on these waves of eternity tonight, where the ocean melts with the light. Every heartbeat shining wild and free, like the stars above the sea. Hold me closer, don't let go. Feel the rhythm moving slow. In your arms I feel alive. Lost beneath these endless skies. Barefoot walking through the sand, tracing dreams across your hand. Every touch becomes a flame, burning softly through my veins. Ocean breeze upon our skin, like a song we're drifting in. Every whisper, every sigh turns to diamonds in the sky. Close your eyes and drift with me into endless clarity. We don't need to say goodbye. We just let the moment fly. In the silence we remain, free from every trace of pain. There's a magic in this view. Every heartbeat leads to you. We're floating on these waves of eternity tonight, where the ocean melts with the light. Every heartbeat shining wild and free, like the stars above the sea. Hold me closer, don't let go. Feel the rhythm moving slow. In your arms I feel alive. Lost beneath these endless skies. Waves of eternity. Feel the tide, you and I, side by side. If the moonlight fades away, will our memories still stay? In the echoes of the sea, you'll remain a part of me, like a glow that never dies, living through eternal skies. Every moment, every breath feels like love we never left. We're floating on these waves of eternity tonight, underneath the stars so bright. Every second feels like destiny. You and I in harmony. Feel the rhythm, feel the glow. Let the whole world move so slow. In your arms is where I'll stay, till the tides just fade away. Waves of eternity, you and me, endlessly across the sea. Mm.